Ayo, what's up PooLin fans? Welcome back to our channel. This is Sean of PooLin team. After we have unboxed our EOC06 and set the machine up, the first task on the list is threading properly. And the reason you will find out in the near future. Correct threading is where we start, which help you avoid bunch of problems and risk. So I'm gonna show you the details of each step. Relax, relax, and relax. Alright, let's get it started. How to thread correctly. For our EOC06, there is no need to lift the presser foot before threading. Different sizes, different ways. For our richer smaller cones, can be put directly on the machine. It's super easy. And for our richer big cones, we could use the thread stand to make it stable. So we put it on the cone and pass the thread through the hole. That's it. Please place it here and make sure the movement will be stable. We also put all the guidelines on the machine, and if you don't know, now you know. Yo, pay attention! Most important step. We must ensure that the embroidery thread is always in the middle of the take-up lever, or it will cause the burr nest. Let's proceed to step 7. After the 2 steps above, we can put it into the needle hole. Here we got 2 options for you, using the automatic threader or threading by your own beautiful hands. It's up to you. First, let me show you how to use the automatic needle threader. When we're using the threader, keep the pressure down vertically so that the hook can go through the needle hole precisely. Then, use the tweezers to pass it through the presser foot. Next, let me show you how to thread manually. It's my choice, I mean. Steady hands means everything. Whether manually or we use the needle threader, we need to pass the thread through the presser foot and leave enough thread to ensure that no entanglement occurs. At this time, cut it with the blade comes with the machine. We just leave about 2 or 3 inches. Okay, that's it. If you think our video may help, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you all next time.